Okay, in boat pose, you sit down and your body is in a V shape. Your legs are up at 45 degrees. Your upper body is up at an angle of 45 degrees. You stretch your legs and your upper body is straight. Keep your arms in front of you and try and hold it there. So your body is in a V shape. And there are, lots of benefits to this. This mainly strengthens your core. It activates your abdominal muscles. It strengthens your hip flexors, your spine, and your thighs. And it stimulates your kidneys and thyroid. It relieves stress and improves digestion, improves stamina, and also improves confidence.